bond between humans and animals is incredibly profound and touching. Reunions with pets recognize their owners after time apart, showcase unconditional love and deep connection. Watch the video below to experience these heartwarming moments. They had only been apart for a day, but their love was so deep that it couldn't be expressed in words. If you could rate it, how many points would you give to this warmth and sweetness? These words of affection are probably only fully understood and felt by those directly involved. Perhaps this will be the most unexpected and lovely welcome he receives every time he comes home. 8 years have passed, and their bond remains as strong as ever.
His hands. He wants.
Beyond its longing, the monkey seems to be pleading for help and a chance at freedom as it reunites with its former owner. Every look and gesture reflects its silent pleas.
It's my baby. That's funny. You know, 1 year,
Oh, this is
1 year, and
heartbreaking.
now she's.
But you know.
This is a heartwarming reunion between a lion and the person who raised it from a young age. It demonstrates that even the most dangerous animals can show incredible loyalty. Do you get a welcome like this from your pet every time you come home? What kind of pet do you have? Share in the comments. Oscar was saved by him when he was a baby, and now he comes every day to play with him. Many people think that camels without humps are not very friendly towards humans, but seeing the sweet, affectionate interactions they share, people might reconsider their views. A pure love like this is something we all probably wish for, an embrace like that. The man adopted a veteran dog, and their reunion, filled with heartfelt affection, moved everyone who witnessed it. No one thought that the king of the mountains and forests could be as docile as a cat in his arms. It is true that love has immense power. They haven't seen each other for 6 months. She tries to act like she doesn't recognize the dog. Let's wait and see the result.
Wait a sec.
It's the sweetest, most heartwarming hug I've ever seen. What about you? What are you thinking? This dog sincerely wishes it could run faster just to embrace its owner sooner. Every moment spent with its beloved human is incredibly precious and cherished. This would be the perfect answer for anyone asking, what is love? You're not mistaken. That is indeed a lion. Isn't love incredible? It has made the king of the jungle as gentle as a kitten. The purest and most heartfelt love in the world is likely the love that animals give to their owners. What a wonderful friend. If I had to describe their love for each other, it would take a lot of effort.
I missed you too. Hi.
The glass wall cannot hinder true friendship, as emotions are the strongest force of all. It seemed like the horse had been waiting for this moment for a long time. Every step of its run seemed like it wanted to fly right to him. This guy agreed to be the baby deer's second mother when his mother unfortunately died in a car accident. Looking at the way the parrot cuddles his owner after 3 months of being in the hospital, everyone wants to have a friend like that. When facing the fire, his greatest concern and worry was the safety of his beloved cat, his loyal companion. What could be more wonderful than being welcomed home by family and such loving friends? Do you like this kind of welcome? Consider adopting a pet to experience the joy they bring. He waited and prayed in vain for 3 months, and a miracle happened. Let's congratulate him.
I can't believe it. Oh, Betty.
Hope this sweetness won't make anyone cry. If your pet ever gets lost, watch this video in its entirety. It will spark hope and renew your optimism. It seems the horse is gently comforting and encouraging her while she recovers from a broken leg. This tender gesture beautifully showcases the deep bond and unconditional love they share. When the dog heard his owner's footsteps, he became extremely excited, walked back and forth non-stop, and could barely contain his joy as he eagerly waited to be reunited. This family endured profound heartache when their car, with their beloved dog inside, was stolen. They invested all their energy into an exhaustive search over many days, supported by the community, boundless love, and relentless prayers. Finally, after all the effort and hope, their cherished dog was found. You couldn't possibly feel sad with a pet like this. Do you have any pets? How do they show their joy? The one thing this lion will never forget is the caretaker who nurtured it with such tenderness and care. This man is like the mother of that calf. When he calls, the calf answers and comes near.
Aww. This is my whole heart right here.
Who's that?
If you feel the warmth in this video, don't hesitate to share it with the people you love. Before saying goodbye, click the subscribe button to the channel so you don't miss out on interesting videos.